Mubasomu ya omwanchi omurigererio Ndizi TV nabwo bwansu bwo mu Busingwege na Jumapili ya onenkiere kigima nabo igonogendrete kwegokia ase okobwatia emerobero yonsi yeritko rya rero nechinga kingi abono ekero cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chinga kingo kwarigania SMS Amayia nkomanyimura nara yaya na kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge nekero torochebuna abarai au korwa serikali nigo bagendrete wikira na se chikanisa abunenchira yemo yogo sanga nabo yogo sasima na begenwa na gusabira ense ya Kenya elio omurembe obego koenekiwa omukonyi bumurai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigara sense moya Nyahururu ime county ya Laikipia asabirega kubwatana n'ababwatani bekanisa ya ACK Faithful ACK Diocese Church elio gusanga n'ababwatani bense meyo kinga kyo muwaziri bw'oburendi bw'ime Kithure Kindiki nerabirega wikirana ase kanisa ya MCK Marimanti ime county ya Tharaka Nithi nechinga kingi abonongo kwarigani elio nkomanya ina kwarigani iria senchera ere yobwenge ekarongo kwenyere una sensemo ya Facebook na bakogendera gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asu mutandao Twitter na bago twitwetera @Ndizi TV News eri otogendere gusanga na boigo kwemanyia amanke iretariane Everlyne Osero kabana incho ikomoerio Kwariante chaka senchira ya bene awase serikali agendrete kubeke merobero yogosira chinsemo au anene ase ensemo yobochenu aboritore igoroni goenya gitari ya maiso yabetege ko igorwa bene ase ensemo ya Sebate me county ya Vihiga magayenya gitari yokora basobokoreri ase kakie myaka emeronko ebere ne 5 nebere no murobero beteko goikiranwa no mu prime cabinet secretary Musalia Mudavadi mu waziri bobochenu Susan Nakuminja gati ya baraibande gati yabo mugavana bwe county yo ya Vihiga kokwana chinga kyecho Musalia Mudavadi nigaye negative bune serikali yerwete kubeke merobero yo gokinya sector yobochenu na kuboria asigosena wakirambia monno enseme yobochenu asokubwatirana nebyombe nabayigo ababwatani au kwenekia obokoreri burobya gochiase abananchi genda tebire serikali negendre korwa ogosira kwabo.
The success of this institution is vested in others who are not with us here today. They were here, they have gone. There are those who are running it today, and there are those who are going to continue with the process. It is important that as we mark 27 years, 27 of this eye hospital, we give a round of applause to the management team and the board because they have made us proud. They have engaged with the stakeholders very effectively, CBM, Lions, the Rotarians, and our other players, the University of JUCAT, the ministry. They have engaged very positively. And in the process, this hospital has seen better things. It has some of the state-of-art equipment. And as I was walking, I was just asking, and how much would this one cost? And they say, this one, just a piece of equipment. This one is worth 5 million. This one is 7 million. And there are others that are worth more.
Kokwana somorobero yobego ngo waziri bobochenu Susan Nakuminja betega kwene kyabuna wizara yobochenu negendrete koigorana gochake mirobero au yogokinya obochenu nigo boigamende tegoteba buna nigo barach commenta abo bisabo bochenu asinsemo au nakubwatuka ebintu bibwenerete ase chinyagitari elio korwa chinga kinyororo cyasaba nyagitari wekirani obokoreri borobuya ase abananchi.
And PCS, this falls in line with what we are doing at the moment at the Ministry of Health. On several occasions, I have told Kenyans that as a ministry, we are now not focusing on curative services only, but we want to give emphasis to preventive and promotive healthcare. And to achieve that, we are going to launch over 100,000 community health promoters. And in my discussion with the governor early in the morning, he told me that in Vihiga, he has over 1,500 community health promoters. Situpigie Governor makofi. And I want to assure you, Governor, that we are going to work with you. In a month's time, I'm going to bring gadgets like this one I'm holding for your community health promoters. In a month's time, Governor, I am going to bring you a kit for your community health promoters. This kit is worth 45,000, Governor, and it has the basics that they can use when they go into a household. My plan as the Minister of Health is to ensure that one community health promoter is actively looking at 100 households.
Na kumincha abaigoni gaine buna emechando au ayo yabirege kwenekiwa ase sekta yobo chenu ne chugika omwerio asate betebuna goikabono chibesa asomurubiro ONHF obe itiabeire chikobwatokwa na kuboria abantu kogendera kwerikia asomurubiro yo erio konyora obokoreri burobwororo nigaboretie bali bonsi ababeire bakugire mirimo yabo kwenekebuna ngwere na bari gochiasemeremo asengencho nige serikali ego chugikirania amagani ya bonsi.
We had small challenges and delays on disbursement of funds to the National Health Insurance, NHIF fund. However, I am happy to report PCS, as at this morning, I received a call from Treasury that funds have now been disbursed to NHIF. And now the facilities, which I'm sure this is one of them, once your claims are verified, you are going to receive your payment. I want to call upon all other healthcare providers that they resume services, those that had stopped, as we process claims and ensure that we make payment. But again, I want to assure you that I am not going to oversee graft. I am going to ensure that we optimally use the scarce resources that are allocated to us.
Togotigana nayo nigo abarai korwase kiama kia United Democratic Alliance UDA bagendrete komo chensemiri kwa meriria serikali ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya askari baota nogo siria aba Kenya kubwatikana nengana ye bili chibesa yo mwaka w'ibibere meronke ibere na isato no mwaka w'ibibere meronke ibere na inye nigo batere buna ababwatani korwase obumo bwa Azimio la Umoja nigo bagendrete gokania abananchi tibakere koko oweti wa kwe finance bill yo yentabate na nenchiremo yo kubangaina aba Kenya na koine kiabuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza ne manyetekie gokora ne begetemero berisaine yo koine kiabuna kiromo Kenya na chigokonyeka aya nigo bayakwanete sensemo ya Narok bakora wono murikyo munene bwe kiame kyo Cleophas Malala hasbaine kirebuna waika finance bill ebe kewetiwa.
Nataka tupunguze ushuru ya landlords ndio bei ya rent pia irudi chini. Vile hiyo finance bill propose the housing levy. Hiyo housing levy watu wangu wanasema sio kila mtu anatozwa hiyo ushuru. Watu wa Azimio wamedanganya watu wetu kwamba ni wale ambao wanafanya kazi peke yake. Sisi peke yetu ndio tunatozwa ushuru kama unafanya kazi. Wale hustlers wa kawaida, mama mboga, bodaboda hata katwa 3% ya housing. Na tumesema tunataka tukatwe hiyo 3% ndio tuweke pesa pamoja, tujenge manyumba. Kila nyumba itahitaji seremala, itahitaji mason, itahitaji mtu wa kukoroga mchanga, na tunataka hizo kazi vijana wetu wapate. So tunakata pesa hawa matajiri ndio wale ambao hawana waeze pata kazi.
Tutigarta samangana ye finance bill nigo egatia barai korwase orogongo rwa coast ba keire koko finance bill yunotana nigo baganitie ebege wetiwa ase bunge eriyo gokora emirimo ebwenerate ase abananchi nonyamagega yo muraibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto koraria buna abakore emirimo be serikali nigo barachikona chwa ekerengo yeisato igoro ye myake mesara yabo iyo rachiko konya na gusira obwagachi bw'ekinyomba ase rigorirense ni nigo egatia barai bagendrete wanchirana negetambo kereke asabange babokuru asorgongo rwa coast batere na abantu abange nigo bamenyete ase chinyomba chire chimbeke gima na igo birio yose wetwa nigo abakenya abange barachiko konyeka anene ase orogongo rwa coast.
Ile pesa ya nyumba tunachukua sio ushuru. Ile pesa tunachukua ili tuweze kuwajengea nyumba zenye hadhi wananchi wa Kenya. Na ni jambo la kinaya kuona kwamba wenzetu wa mrengo ule wa upinzani wanapinga sana haya masuala, lakini wanarudi pale Senate kupitia wajumbe wao wakisema maaskari wetu wanaishi katika nyumba ambazo ziko hali duni sana. Sasa tuelewe vipi? Mara kize
finance bill kwa uwezo Mwenyezi Mungu itapita na serikali itasonga mbele. Wale ambao wanatutia misukosuko wangoja wakati wao ukifika na waje wafanyane mazuri ambao watudanganya nao.
The presidency is an institution ambayo inaendelea, na urais ulianza na Jomo Kenyatta, akaja mwingine Moi, akaja Kibaki, akaja Uhuru. Hii ni zamu ya William Samoei Ruto. Kwa hivyo na waomba wakae kwa kutulia, zile ahadi tulizowapa wananchi wa Kenya tuweze kuzitimiza. Hamwezi kusema kwamba wananchi wanaishi kwenye slums alafu hamutaki serikali itimize ajenda zake. Sisi tulipozunguka katika taifa hili la Kenya tulikuwa na ahadi ambazo tulizipeana, na wakitaka wasitake ahadi zitatimizwa.
Omuseneta bwe county ya Vihiga Godfrey Ososi nigaganire monogeri bwe bunke nene Moses Wetangula kwenekya buna ngoretaro obomo nabo igomorembe ase bunge nigachire magega yechibura buru kwenekwa ase bunge chingaktorere buna aba egati abachumbe anene korwase obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya nigo baganetio korusiwa kwaye Sabina Chege buna omo deputy minority leader egentononya nabo egati abachumbe korwase murengo Kenya Kwanza bagendrete kugikero bororo koirera Kisii na bwe chibura buru kwenekiwa ase bunge na bono nigo Ososi aberega kumugania Wetangula kwenekya bunango ikeraniare obokoreri bwaye ase nchire bwenete yokwenekya bunango retara bachumbe bonsemo na kwenekya obotoereru ase bunge.
Mheshimiwa Speaker, you are our elder, we respect you. You have a big responsibility of steering the National Assembly in a very professional and impartial manner. We know you are capable, our brother. Please do it. Your other brother, Mheshimiwa Marende, ambaye is my constituent, na tunatoka na yeye Rwanda, did a wonderful job. He steered the National Assembly at a very critical time post-election violence. When the country was divided, you have a chance, Mr. Speaker, to ensure that we have a parliament that is respected, a parliament that respects the rule of law. Lakini please don't take sides. Don't take sides. We know you are in Kenya Kwanza, but when you are sitting on that seat, you cease to be Kenya Kwanza, you become a speaker of the National Assembly. Mambo tumeona juzi kule bunge, hatutaki kuona tena kwa finance bill. Kwa sababu hiyo finance bill wewe ni referee, but be an impartial referee. Na hata hii mambo nimesikia wabunge wakiuliza ati wanataka kutengeneza mkubwa. Utakuwa mkubwa kama utafanya kazi ya speaker vizuri.
Nekero otse ichabere chikorekana ase gesaku kyaba Masai anana sensemo ya Transmara bono nigo egatia bara korwase county ya Narok babere bakogania omorembe kwenekiwa ase egesaku ekyo kyaba Masai eriyo koreta omorembe nabo igo obwa mateburo bya okwana sensemo ya Kilgori Central asomoyiga bwige koro manyikanite buna Manyata culture nigo abara yabo bakora wano mugavana bwe county ya Narok Patrick Olentutu baganirie chimbwa chingia kwe gose chimbwa chingia kwenekiwa nabo igo Kisii go ikaumwerio ase ensemeyo
ishe kimila yetu nzuri ya Wamasai. Na pia ni watangazia ya kwamba mwezi wa 8 tutakuwa na culture week kwa kaunti ya Narok kwa mzima, wiki moja ambayo sisi wote tutakuwa tunaenda kusherekea kabila yetu.
Tunataka kurudisha mila yetu ikae mahali ilivyo, ndio itatusaidia sisi tupate nafasi yetu. Ukienda kule ng'ambo unakuta kwamba ni mila ya Masai, nguo ya Masai ndio inaonekana. So hii nguo ambayo imetumiwa kama nguo ya Kenya, si nyinyi pia mvae vizuri?
Haiwezekani kamwe Uasin Gishu na Syria ambao ni ndugu moja kuuana. Jamani, nani ameisikia jambo kama hilo? Kwa sababu kama jamii hatuwezi kubali watoto wetu waangamie kila siku. Watoto ambao ni wadogo kama hawa wanapoteza maisha ati kwa sababu jamii moja inapigana. Hatuwezi kubali.
Karabatu romancho murgena rogotoreta omwerio bwa Amayia ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchera ere yobwenge kurenda na mangi ngenderete gokwariganiria ayinacho kumanyira inda senchera yobwenge ekero chirarage Chinsa 10 yerera kubwate merobero yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo Gusii ekero ngokonyera buna sensemo ya Facebook na bako ndra gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bako twitwetera @Ndizi TV News ere togendere gusanga na boigo kwemanya amange retariane Everlyne Osero ngokuganiria oburigereri borobia na boigo omubaso oromotoereru.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu